we-PSL Footballer of the Season. uMasanganyi nePirates nabo bahlomula. Ukapteni weMamelodi Sundowns nonozinti uRonwen Williams uwine umklomelo weFootballer of the Season kuma-PSL Awards ka-2023 to 2024. Ukapteni weMamelodi Sundowns nonozinti uRonwen Williams uwine umklomelo weFootballer of the Season emcimbini wePSL ngeSonto ebusuku. UWilliams uphinde wawina iDStv Premiership Goalkeeper of the Season, kwathi umqeqeshi weSundowns uRhulani Mkwena wawina iPremiership Coach of the Year wesizini ka-2023-2024. ISundowns ihlulwe emdlalweni owodwa wokugcina ibhekene neCape Town City njengoba icishe yaphela isizini yeDStv Premiership ingahlulwa, futhi yaqopha umlando wamaphuzu amasha angama-73, 73, inamaphuzu angu-16, iphinde yahlabana ngendondo yePSL kasihlalo kanye neminye imiklomelo eminingi. Kodwa i-Orlando Pirates ehlule iMamelodi Sundowns kowamanqamu ezindebe ezimbili kowe-MTN 8 nowe-Nedbank Cup inikeze ama-Brazilians ithuba lokudla imali yawo, ikakhulukazi ngokushaya umgadli uPatrick Maswanganyi. uMaswanganyi uthathe umklomelo womdlali ovelele kwiPremiership Players Player of the Season, waphinde wahlabana ngendondo yePremiership Midfielder of the Season neNedbank Cup Player of the Tournament. uLerebohile Mofokeng oneminyaka eyi-19 years ubudala wePirates uwine iPremiership Young Player of the Season kanye neNedbank Cup Most Promising Player of the Tournament. unozinti uSipho Chine uwine i-MTN Last Man Standing, kwathi umgadli omkhulu we-Orlando Pirates uTsegofatso Mabaso wawina indondo yomshayi magoli ophezulu kuPremiership. Bekungubusuku obuhle kumaBhakabhaka lapho uThabiso Lebitso ephinde wawina iPremiership Goal of the Season. Njengenjwayelo, le miklomelo izobe ikhulumisa futhi kungase kube nokuphikisana. Umklomelo wegoli elingcono kakhulu likaLebitso bekungowokulishaya kwakhe isikhathi iBucks inqoba ngo-3-2 emdlalweni weSoweto Derby, lapho yayibhekene khona neKaizer Chiefs eFNB Stadium mhla ka-9 March. Kungenzeka ukuthi abaningi bamangaliswa umdlali wasemuva weSikhukhune United, u-Aseko Tiwani, owanqobisa iqembu lakhe ngo-1-0 kowe-league lidlala neCape Town Spurs ngo-April 20, eshaya ibhola ebeliqhele ngamamitha angama-50, 50 meters, elibhakuzisa kunozinti uZama Dlamini. Abanye abawinile iSundowns ngoGrant Kekana, othole indondo yePremiership Defender of the Season, noNtando Nkosi we-DStv Diski Challenge Player of the Season. Abawine imiklomelo yePSL ka-2023-2024 DStv Premiership bami kanje: Footballer of the Season Ronwen Williams for Mamelodi Sundowns, DStv Players Player of the Season Patrick Maswanganyi for Orlando Pirates, DStv Coach of the Season Rhulani Mkwena for Mamelodi Sundowns, oshaya amagoli amaningi uDStv Premiership kuTsegofatso Mabaso we-Orlando Pirates, DStv Premiership Goal of the Season Thabiso Lebitso we-Orlando Pirates mhla iwina ngo-3-2 kwiKaizer Chiefs eFNB Stadium. iDStv Young Player of the Season Relebohile Mofokeng we-Orlando Pirates, DStv Premiership Midfielder of the Season Patrick Maswanganyi for Orlando Pirates, DStv Defender of the Season Grant Kekana for Mamelodi Sundowns. Unozinti ovelele ku-DStv Premiership uRonwen Williams for Mamelodi Sundowns. Unompempe wesizini ka-2023-2024 uSikhumbuzo Gasa. Umsizi kaNompempe kule sizini uRomario Phiri.